Hello kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Come on kids, let's learn. Today, we are going to recall all the sight words.
Hey kids! Welcome back. Today, we are going to see all the 34 sight words. Are you ready?
In, is, it, you, and, the, I, to, he, she, we, me, my, so, if, by, and, as, can, see, like, at, go, not, are, all, was, they, of, or, but, for, with.
Now, let's read all the sight words. In, is, it, you, and, the, I, a, to, he, she, we, me, my, so, if, by, and, as, can, see, like, at, go, not, are, all, was, they, of, or, but, for, with.
Good job, kids! We've recalled all the sight words. See you in another learning video.